Dealerships and mechanics make a living off maintenance, and while they provide a great service, there are some insider tips that can save you money and trips to the shop. In fact, there are things they might not tell you outright either because it cuts into their profit or they assume you already know. Here are 9 maintenance tips and truths that many dealerships don't want you to know. Number 1. Chain lube doesn't have to be expensive. One of the biggest myths riders believe is that you need a specialized, high-priced chain lube to keep your motorcycle chain in top condition. In reality, ordinary motor oil or gear oil, which costs just a few dollars per bottle, performs just as well when applied consistently. The key factor isn't the brand or the flashy packaging, it's the frequency of application. A chain that is regularly cleaned and lubricated will last far longer than one that receives occasional attention with expensive products. Mechanics often quietly admit that any good quality oil is far better than leaving a chain dry, and they frequently use leftover motor oil for their own bikes. Riders who follow this approach can get tens of thousands of miles out of a chain without ever buying premium chain lubes. The practical takeaway is simple. Skip the boutique lubes, apply a small amount of affordable oil often, and maintain your chain properly. Over time, this routine dramatically extends chain life and prevents expensive replacements, all while saving money and effort. Number 2, you don't need to change brake fluids constantly. Another common misconception pushed by dealerships is that brake fluid must be changed every year. But for most street motorcycles, this is far from necessary. Brake fluid does gradually absorb moisture from the air, but under normal riding conditions, it can last for 2 to 3 years without negatively affecting performance. The easiest way to monitor it yourself is by looking at the reservoir. If the fluid is clear or light golden, it's in good condition. If it appears dark brown or murky, it's time for a replacement. By avoiding overly frequent brake fluid changes, riders save money without compromising safety. Mechanics are well aware that brake fluid often remains effective well beyond the 1-year mark, but this fact is rarely emphasized by dealers. Regular visual checks and occasional testing are sufficient to keep your braking system reliable. In addition, maintaining brake fluid in good condition ensures a responsive feel at the lever and reduces the risk of moisture-related brake problems over time. Number 3. Batteries last longer than you think. Many riders believe that motorcycle batteries are short-lived and need to be replaced every 2 years. But with proper care, a high-quality battery can last 4 to 5 years or more. The secret lies in maintaining it correctly. Using a smart battery tender during periods of inactivity prevents deep discharge, which is one of the main causes of premature battery failure. Additionally, cleaning the terminals and ensuring tight connections further extends battery life. Mechanics often maintain their own bikes this way, keeping batteries running efficiently for multiple seasons. The misconception that batteries must be replaced every couple of years largely benefits dealerships, but experienced riders know that a little maintenance goes a long way. By investing in a simple $30 smart charger and following a basic care routine, you can dramatically extend the life of your battery, saving money and avoiding the inconvenience of unexpected failures on the road. Number 4. Clean your chain with a cheap toothbrush. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need an expensive chain cleaning kit to maintain a motorcycle chain. A standard toothbrush combined with a mild solvent, such as kerosene or even a general-purpose lubricant, works extremely well for removing dirt, grease, and grime. Riders who brush their chains every couple of weeks notice a significant improvement in chain lifespan and overall performance. Many riders assume that specialized tools or dealer services are necessary, but mechanics often rely on simple, effective methods like this behind the scenes. A little elbow grease goes a long way. This approach is cost-effective, practical, and surprisingly powerful. By keeping the chain free of debris, you reduce wear on the sprockets, prevent premature stretching, and ensure smoother rides. Regular cleaning with minimal tools is one of the simplest ways to preserve your motorcycle's drivetrain. Number 5. Minor fork seal. Leaks are often easy fixes. If you notice a thin streak of oil on a fork tube, it doesn't always mean you need an expensive fork rebuild. Dealerships frequently recommend replacing the seals entirely, which can cost hundreds of dollars. However, in many cases, minor leaks are caused by small bits of dirt trapped under the seal's lip. This debris prevents a perfect seal, allowing a tiny amount of oil to escape. A simple and inexpensive fix involves using a small seal cleaning tool or a thin piece of plastic to carefully remove the debris. This often stops the leak completely and avoids costly replacements. Mechanics are well aware of this trick and often try it first before resorting to a full fork service. By learning this method, riders can save a significant amount of money, quickly restore proper fork function, and prevent unnecessary work, all while keeping the suspension in excellent condition. Number 6. Don't over-tighten your oil drain plug. A common maintenance mistake is over-tightening the oil drain plug during an oil change. The drain bolt only needs to be tightened to the manufacturer's torque specification, which is usually around 15 to 20 FTLBs. Many riders assume tighter is better, but this mindset can strip the threads or even crack the oil pan, leading to expensive repairs. Using a torque wrench or following the manual's guidance ensures the bolt is snug without risking damage. Mechanics know that a properly torqued drain plug, combined with a new crush washer, is sufficient to prevent leaks. Avoiding excessive force saves you hundreds of dollars and prevents unnecessary trips to the shop. With a careful approach, you maintain a secure seal and protect the integrity of your engine, all while performing a simple and essential maintenance task correctly. Number 7. Use anti-seize on certain bolts. A professional tip that mechanics often keep to themselves is applying an anti-seize compound on bolts that are prone to corrosion, such as exhaust bolts, axle nuts, and spark plugs. This small measure prevents them from fusing or seizing over time, making future removal much easier. Broken or stuck bolts are a common source of frustration and costly repairs. Dealerships may not apply anti-seize as a standard practice because removing seized bolts is profitable for them. However, riders can easily take this precaution themselves. A small tube of anti-seize is inexpensive and lasts for years, acting as insurance against seized or snapped bolts. By applying it correctly during installation, you reduce maintenance headaches and ensure that bolts come out smoothly whenever servicing is needed, saving time, money, and unnecessary stress. Number 8. Coolant doesn't need frequent flushing. Some service centers recommend flushing and replacing coolant annually, but this is often unnecessary. Modern coolant formulations typically last at least 2 years, sometimes longer, under normal riding conditions. Unless the coolant is contaminated or the engine operates at unusually high temperatures, annual flushing is overkill. Changing coolant every 2 years or according to the manufacturer's recommended interval is usually sufficient. This is a task that many riders can perform themselves in under 30 minutes, saving both labor costs and unnecessary parts replacement. Mechanics are aware that modern coolants maintain their protective properties longer than many riders realize. Following the proper schedule rather than an overly aggressive one ensures safe operation and prevents overspending on routine maintenance. Number 9. Check bearings and tire pressure to avoid big repairs. Wheel bearings and tire pressure are often overlooked, but neglecting them can lead to major problems. Regularly spin your wheels and check for roughness, grinding, or play, which are early signs of worn bearings. Catching a problem early prevents damage to the wheel or axle, avoiding expensive repairs. Similarly, underinflated tires wear faster, overheat, and can even fail catastrophically. Proper tire pressure not only increases safety, but also extends tire life significantly, saving hundreds of dollars over time. Mechanics know that these simple checks are among the most effective ways to prevent unnecessary repairs, but they are rarely emphasized unless requested by the customer. By routinely checking bearings and maintaining the correct tire pressure, riders can avoid unexpected failures, reduce maintenance costs, and enjoy a smoother, safer ride. Simple, proactive care keeps the motorcycle reliable and extends its lifespan.